Question from another viewer today. Sarah asks, what is the best SEO app? Well, I'm going to give you the answer to that here today. A lot of people struggle with trying to do SEO on their own, and this one will definitely help you out with that. So if you are unfamiliar with my channel, my name is Tom Batman Ziegelbauer, and I help businesses and entrepreneurs grow through the use of technology. So we're just going to get after it. The tool that I like to use is something called Screaming Frog. Now, weird name, however, it will definitely leave a lasting impression upon you. These guys are in the UK, and if you go to their website, screamingfrog.co.uk, you can go in and download this for free. It allows you to go in and spider your site, meaning it's going to go through each one of the links on your website and show you what it's connected to. It's going to do an audit basically of your website and show you things like, hey, you're missing a title tag, or you're missing H1s or H2s, or maybe you have broken pages on your website that need to be fixed. Great tool, free, so I would definitely go check that out, Screaming Frog, and install it on your computer today. If this video did help you out, or if there are other free tools that you would like to see me review, definitely hit me up down in the comments down below. If you did receive value from today's video, hit those three buttons down at the bottom, like, subscribe, and alert, in order to be able to be alerted to additional content from my channel. And always remember, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you very much for watching.